Alright guys, welcome to Nova Pottery. Today I'm going to be throwing 25 pounds. We're going to be doing a planner for a customer, so show you the video, and here we go. So a little trick is I put a little water here, and I actually cup it with my forearm, and that gives me a little bit more strength here to get it up. So I'll show you. Looks like it's going pretty good. When you're centering bigger pieces, you can kind of think of it in sections. Like this is one section here, one there, and you want it to go in kind of like a cone. It helps with a little bit more speed. So I'll cone that 3 times to get out all the air bubbles. I'm not going to do the whole video of me centering, but once it's centered, I'll show you, and then you got to press down. A trick for pressing down, you can use your forearm or your fist too. A little bit stronger, so you got more. Just look at, I'm not leaning over, I'm standing. You got more strength and power here. The faster your wheel is going, the less you have to fight it too. So then just keep on pushing it down, and then you'll see by the third one it'll look really nice, but that's looking pretty good actually. A little bit harder to center 25 pounds standing up, but it's doable. Okay, we're pretty centered now. It's a lot harder standing up. Okay, I'm going to open my elbow in water. See? About that thick. Goes down pretty good. A lot of more strength in your elbow when you do bigger pieces. On my bigger pieces, I leave them about a ½ inch. This is, if I can check. I think this is too thick, but so it's a little thick. I'm going to go down a little bit more, but not too much. It's got to have a good base. That's perfect. Now, this is the double grab. Giving you guys all my tricks. So you can do it with a sponge or just 2 hands. You basically go like this, and then you pull out with 2 hands. That's how you open back. It's manipulating clay and outsmarting it, so you don't have to use all your energy and strength. And then you got to compress the bottoms just like any piece. A little too much water. I don't want too much water in there. I want to get waterlogged. It's compressed. Now you got 3 pulls. Sometimes you can do it 2 if you want to keep it thicker. I'll probably do 2, 2.5 maybe, not a full third. So what I'll do is I'll tuck this top in a lot, so it kind of locks in. Kind of gets all the slip off. A little rusty, I haven't thrown 25 pounds in a year, so. Especially standing up, I've never done it, so it's a lot harder standing up. Alright, so we're back. Let's get a little bigger. Good. So that's a big planner. Probably what got cut off. This is probably somewhere around 22 pounds. So if I had my torch, I could shape it a little bit better. It's got a little imperfection right there, but for the most part, it looks pretty good. Got a nice rim and good hole, good thickness. So this is more of like a bowl planner, what they wanted, kind of fanned out. Alright guys, I put it a little bit closer so you can kind of see inside. There's a hole in the middle. Nice little shape. It's 19 by 19. It's about 8 inches tall, so pretty decent size.